Hello everyone, welcome to Gain Margin. Today agenda is we will cover the implicit differentiation. Based on that, we will solve these some questions so that we will get the better understanding. So we will also understand the terminology like implicit function, explicit functions, and moreover we will extend the implicit differentiation method, how to deal with the implicit differentiation. Okay, so let us see. So what is a implicit function? And implicit function is a function written in terms of both dependent and independent variables like x square y plus x is equal to 2y plus 8x square, whereas an explicit function is a function which is represented in terms of an independent variable like y is equal to x square plus x plus 9. So sometimes implicit function we can write also in explicit function. Sometimes it is not possible. So how to deal implicit differentiation method? In many instances, an equation is explicitly represented in the form hereby is the only term in the left hand side of the equation. In this examples, dy by dx is obtained by applying the differentiation rules to the right hand side of the equation. And however, for case whereby is not explicitly given, we must either first solve by for y and then differentiate, or use the implicit differentiation method. Keep one thing in mind to applying the implicit differentiation method is that the chain rule must be applied each time we come across a term with y in it. Okay. So we will understand through the questions. Here we have given the some questions. You can try and so that you will get the better understanding. Okay. So like first, second, third question, we will observe here. We can write the y into in terms of x. It means we are able to express into explicit functions. Given function is implicit function, and we will convert into explicit functions. But fourth question onwards, we are not able to express into explicit functions. So these questions, we have only option to deal using the implicit differentiation method and solve the questions. But first, second, third type of questions, either you can solve first convert into explicit function and then take a derivative. Otherwise, you can directly apply the implicit differentiation method and then solve it. So let us understand this type of things through the questions. This is my first questions. So here the question is xy is equal to x square plus 3. Here we are able to express into explicit function. So y is equal to x square plus 3 by x. This is my explicit functions, and given function is a implicit functions. This is my implicit functions. So first convert into explicit functions, okay, and then take a derivative. This is a first method to solve the questions. So dy by dx equal to here this is my f by g rule. So we are applying division rule. X, this is my denominator function into numerator, take a derivative of numerator function, minus numerator function into take a derivative of denominator function, right, by denominator function square, and then solve it. Then x into derivative square is 2x, 2 minus 1, you will get 1 plus 0, minus here x square plus 3 into derivative of x, you will get constant bar. Here is a x square. Then you will get 2x square, just multiply it, and x square minus 3 by x square. Then you will get x square minus 3 by x square. This is my final answer. We can see that this is a expert functions because of given function, imperative function, we are able to express into expert function. So answer A is also in expert functions. Then we apply the second method. Second method, take a derivative both sides. Take a derivative both sides. So if you have any doubt, please comment it so that we will cover this doubt in subsequent lecture. So here we apply the product rule, x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx equal to, here we will get 2x plus 0. Then x into dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to 2x. So dy by dx x equal to 2x minus y. Dy by dx equal to 2x minus y by x. Here by we can, this is a also correct, but this is a implicit form. Okay. So what need to do? Just put the value by in terms of x. Okay. So let us see 2x minus y value x square plus 3 by x whole divided by x. Okay. We go to next page. Then dy by dx is equal to x minus x square plus 3 by x by x. Here is I think 2. No? Then just simplify it. Then 2x square minus x square plus 3 by x into x. Then you will get x square minus 3 by x square. This also a same answer as earlier we got x square minus 3 by x square. Okay. So this type of question we can deal in both way. Either we will deal by using the first convert in a expert functions if it is possible. If it is not possible, then follow the second method. Okay. So for more understanding, we also solve one more question. This is a second question. X square by plus y square equal to 2x. So here we easily understand that we cannot write into expert function. So we have only option to apply the implicit differentiation method. For that, we take a derivative both sides. Okay, so take a derivative plus y square equal to, okay, then here you can also write this way. I am writing every step so that you can understand better. Okay, you will get answer here 2. Okay, because 2 into x, this is a constant, and this take outside x variable, you can derivative, this will be get a 1. Okay, so the dx, here we apply the product rule. So first function into second derivative plus second function by into first function derivative. Okay, plus here we apply the chain rule. So 2 into by into dy by dx. Okay, equal to 2. So here x square we are solving by into 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 2. So here we want to collect the term dy by dx, x square plus t 2y equal to 2 minus 2x pi, right? Then final dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x pi by x square plus 2y, right? This is my final answer. Okay, so this way we will deal this type of question. Okay. So if you are able, there are two methods. Like if you given implicit function, if you are able to express into explicit function, then you can convert in explicit function, then take a derivative. Otherwise, directly you can take derivative, you will get the same answer. But here we will also observe here the final answer is also in a implicit function because we given a function is also in a implicit functions. Okay, so this is my answer. Hope you are understanding. Still you doubt, please make a comment. Okay, and third question we also solving here so that we will get more clarity. If you have any doubt, then I hope you will clear it out in this question also. So take a here you can see that this my implicit function, but we also not write into we cannot write into explicit function. So take a derivative directly using the implicit differentiation method. Okay, so take a derivative. Then 3x square. Okay, the derivative of 2 y square derivative of x is equal to 1. Here you will to take constant term dy by dx. Okay, so here 3x square plus 2 you will get 2 by just apply the chain rule 2y into dy by dx plus 1 equal to 2 into dy by dx. So dy by dx, here we are collecting term dy by dx, there are 4y minus 2 equal to minus 1 plus 3x square. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus 3 x square by 4y minus 2. This is my answer, final answer. Okay, so very simple way you can deal this type of question. Okay, hope you understand this type of things. So last question we also solving so that we will get more understanding. And you know here we can easily understand that the given function is implicit function. We cannot express into explicit function, so take a derivative directly. take a derivative both sides directly. Okay. Okay. So dx 2x plus y. Okay. So here 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to, take a derivative 2 into x derivative 1 plus dy by dx, and then we are want to collect the dy by dx term in left hand side. 2y minus 1 equal to 2 minus 2x, then dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x by 2y minus 1. This is my final answer. Okay, so hope you understood this type of question, how to deal with. Okay, so before close to today's session, I would like to tell you, please subscribe our channel and like the video, share the video. Thank you.